Mic check. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. All right, peace, family. I go by the name of DJ912. If you don't know, you can always find me at DJ912beats.com for my latest beats. And what you see right now is my home screen, man. I'm finna go through a quick tutorial for one of my partners, D Black the Great, out of the great city of Atlanta, Georgia. He wanted me to show him how I actually go live on Facebook. So, and show my screen at the same time. So, word to the wise, I'm gonna start it first. I downloaded OBS first, but then I downloaded this one, the OBS Streamlabs. I can't talk. OBS Streamlabs. OBS for some reason was crashing my computer, and how I had to route my mic in and everything was kind of weird and crazy. So on your basic setup, man, all you have to do is hit this plus button right here. Your scenes is how many scenes you can have, so I can switch back and forth to different scenes. That's a little bit more detail, but the basic version, bro. Create you one scene. This is my tutorial scene. I added my webcam in by pressing this plus sign, and then you click here, video capture device, and you add your webcam. Add source. As you can see, webcam is already. Then you're gonna click here again, and you're gonna hit display capture, and you add source. Let's just say I wanted to add my secondary display, right? Add source, and then right here, let me choose to add my display 2 on display 1. Right now I'm on display. So that's if you have a multi-screen setup. Click cancel because I already got it on. Now, on this side right here, it's kind of tricky, but make sure your audio is set up in these multiple ways. You click that settings tab, hit audio. All this is set the default for me. Then for this mic auxiliary 1, I got my Focusrite USB 2i2 interface. That's what this is. Now, when I first started, I was getting a lot of clicks, crackles, and pops. Show you how to diagnose that real quick. I'm gonna go to sound settings, change system. Go to recording. Use whatever mic you got or whatever device you got. It happened to be the way I had to do it. Click this. Okay. Oh, that ain't it. One more time. This. That. Properties. Advanced. Make sure that this window right here says 2 channel for the 44.1 hertz. I know I probably said that wrong, but for the 44.1 hertz. For some reason, I don't know why, but on one of mine, it'll always show an 8-bit channel or 8 channels, 64-bit or something like that, and it'll always give me a bunch of sound. Always give me a bunch of clicks, pops, and crackles. I have to always sometimes go back and reset it. For the most part, I haven't had any situations with that. I've said it. Then what you want to do is want to go and open up whatever DAW using. Mine is FL, and right now you can see my screen for my FL. First thing I want you to do is hit options, audio. You got to make sure this audio is set up to where Streamlabs can actually. Let me kind of minimize this one. I can see both. That's why I got the dual screen set as well. So I can see. All you want to do is play a sound. All you want to do is play a sound in here, so you can see if it's coming through your desktop audio, because that's where your main audio should be coming through, so that they can so that your viewers can hear it. And right now, I'm playing sounds and you can't hear it. Right? I'm gonna have options, audio settings, Focusrite. For some reason, when I put it up here, you say direct sound devices, it always works up here. Sometimes you might get a little lag or a little crack popper, but not a lot. Now you can see that the audio is coming up down here. That means my viewers can hear. Right. Then what you want to do, go to YouTube, Facebook, it's all the same. When you putting in what they call your stream key. So you'll come over here to Google. Don't want to see that. Come over here to Google, Facebook, and I want to stream not on my main page, but I want to producer page. All you do is come here and click live. This the logo. Now when you click live, you see it say use stream key. When you scroll down here to the settings, scroll down here, you see live stream setup. Don't worry about your URL, just get your stream key. Once you copy your stream key, you're gonna have to change it every time you go into Facebook. Every time you choose to go live, you're gonna have to copy that stream key. Come over to Streamlabs, hit this settings with the stream. And mine's on Caster right now because I do multi-stream. That's a whole nother secret. Click this down menu. Come down here to YouTube, Facebook, whatever you're on. Facebook Live. I'm gonna click that. Right here in the stream key, you're gonna paste that key right here. So slide it, click delete. It won't let you right click and paste. So I'm on PC, so it's Control V. I don't know what it would be on MacBook. I think it's Command V on MacBook. Paste it in. Once you paste that in, pretty much done for that part. Come down here, click the go live button, and in this preview window down here, in this preview window right here, it's gonna show your face, so you know what's going on, and Facebook will be behind. So pretty much it. I'll show it to you quick, just so you know how it works. I'll make sure I got Facebook Live servers default. Copy my key here. Control V, paste it, click done. Then I'm gonna hit go live. Now you're waiting for screen to connect with Facebook, and you see it down here, waiting for live video. Now you got the live video feed, so they can see webcam if I slide it up. That's another thing too. These sources work in layers. So okay. These work in layers. So if my webcam was behind the display capture, you would, or pretty much standard like Photoshop. So now you can see that I'm down here and I'm ready to go live. All you have to do is come back to Facebook and then hit go live, and you're done. That's how you go live on Facebook with Streamlabs OBS. And it works the same way with OBS, but to me, Streamlabs seems like it's better. Got a better consistency in it. It doesn't have I don't know, man, it just runs smoother. And from what I'm understanding, Streamlabs was built for artists anyway. More things built like this. So this is how you go live on Facebook. You do the same thing with Pro Tools, but in Pro Tools, you'll need to switch your ASIO driver to FL-Studio Audio, and it'll come through. And that's how you go live on Facebook with Streamlabs OBS. It's also how you can go live on. It's the same setup with Twitch. It's the same setup with YouTube. I'm not gonna go over it because it's kind of redundant. I show you how to do it on Facebook, you're gonna be able to do it on YouTube, Twitch, and everything else. So that's a little quick tutorial for the day. Peace, man. Stay safe. Hope this helped anybody. Great blessings. Go forward.